Hello and welcome to Why Not Watch. So here we have three zippo. Here we have a USS Newport News Atlantic Fleet. We have this, which have some homemade engravings on it, and that is myself that have done it. That's why I bought this one. I bought it used though. Come on. There we go. Might have to sit a little longer. I just put gas on it. Zippo. And this one with Q8. And Q8 is a gas station. So yeah, that was actually the only three zippos I have in my collection at the moment. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching and have a great day.